Hello, it's Dr. Robert Davis, and I am here with Tim. And Tim was kind enough to come on and just discuss his experience in our clinic. Tim originally came in for knee pain, but he also noticed some other improvements in his overall health. So I wanted him to just kind of explain why you look for our office, the problems that you're having, Tim, and just explain like what you noticed, what you were just talking about.
I noticed my energy level is a lot higher, and I've been checking my blood sugar regularly, and before I started taking all the supplements, it was averaging about 147. And now I've got a 14-day average of 120. So that's a lot better. And I have noticed that the knees are not bowing out as much with doing the stretches and everything. And I'm riding my bicycle now up to 10 miles a day.
Fantastic. So what were you, when you first came in, the blood sugar and the knees, where were you at like before you came in the office? Where would you say you were at? And then what's changed? I know you're not perfect.
Yeah.
We still, we're still working.
They hurt a lot, and I couldn't walk. Now
Right.
I'm actually walking, and flexibility is a lot better. And I had tingling in the feet and stuff, and now
Right.
my feet are not as sensitive. You know, I know that goes along with the diabetic edge of the diabetic, but
Right.
it's just going away, and it's not as hypersensitive.
So what do you think your doctor's gonna say when you go back?
He's gonna go ecstatic. He
That's
really
good.
is. He's gonna be great.
Oh, that's fantastic. Thank you very much. I'm glad you're doing better. Look forward to continue helping you. Thank you.